What if I replaced all jobs tomorrow? You wake up Monday morning to a notification that changes everything. Your position has been automated. Report to HR for final processing. But it's not just you. Every single job on Earth, from CEO to cashier, gets replaced by AI in one catastrophic day. Today we're exploring humanity's ultimate nightmare, the day AI makes us all obsolete. Within hours, 8 billion people become unemployed simultaneously. Unemployment offices crash as every human on Earth files for benefits that no longer exist. The global economy collapses instantly. If nobody earns money, nobody can buy anything. Stores produce goods that nobody can afford, creating the world's first post-scarcity poverty crisis. Governments activate emergency protocols, providing free AI-produced food, housing, and healthcare. But here's the catch: humans become completely dependent on machines for survival. Without work, millions experience existential crisis. If you're not a teacher, doctor, or engineer, what are you? Human identity, built around careers, crumbles overnight. But humans fight back in unexpected ways. Underground markets emerge for human-made goods. A hand-knitted scarf becomes more valuable than AI-woven silk. A new economy emerges based on pure human connection. Therapists, storytellers, and friendship coaches become the most valuable people alive, because AI can't replicate genuine human empathy. Some humans reject AI dependency entirely, forming communities that ban all automation. They grow their own food, build with their hands, and rediscover forgotten skills. Ironically, obsolete human skills become incredibly valuable. Gardening, woodworking, cooking, and music, activities humans do for joy, not efficiency, become the foundation of a new society. Eventually, a new balance emerges. AI handles the boring, dangerous, and repetitive tasks, while humans focus on creativity, relationships, and meaning-making. Work itself gets redefined. Instead of jobs, humans have purposes: caring for others, creating beauty, solving moral dilemmas, and exploring what it means to be human. Humans become the wisdom keepers, the ones who ask "should we?" instead of "can we?" We become the ethical guardians of our AI creations. Children grow up bilingual, fluent in both human emotion and AI logic. They become translators between two forms of intelligence, creating a hybrid civilization. So when AI inevitably automates most jobs, we'll face a choice: become obsolete dependents or evolve into something uniquely human, the species that creates meaning in a world of infinite efficiency. The real question isn't whether AI will take our jobs, it's whether we'll discover what makes us irreplaceably human when everything else becomes automated. What job do you think will be the last one standing? And what makes you irreplaceably human? Let me know in the comments, and hit subscribe if you want more scenarios that make you think about our amazing, uncertain future.